Today it's the 11th of July 2022. We have Sokerilinnantie. Sokerslotsvägen 5. Is this the Tekisei?
Yeah.
Okay, Tekisei here. It was built in 1996 by Otis with those 1,000 fixtures. 25 is old, the last year 2021. It is celebrated being won in the 1872 and it will be inspected in 2024. Prestige sport first of 300 grams. This has two rides. Well, we have a view of the back wall because it's almost like a scenic elevator here.
Yeah.
Scenic elevator without any doors. Some of them are like that. We have filmed some more of these in Ruoholahti and in Espoo, for instance.
Yeah.
But some of them are of course badly modernized in Ruoholahti.
Yeah.
So we don't need to film them anymore. So many reviews. Continue. All of them for going up. Nice intro.
Yeah. Yeah. Spektiit pakki vai me teet pakkoon niin.
I will have a view of towards the window now.
Yeah.
And you can see the counterweight going faster. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the other staircases here in this quarter.
That's it.